going up for bid, which basically means I just want some cannon fodder to be able to beat my current vendor up on price, and I'm never going to go with you. Would you mind spending 75 hours and $203 an hour of labor responding to my 47 question RFP, RFQ? Happy to do that. Hey, I think what makes the most sense, since you're already working with them, is if I could sit down. Now, don't invite the other party if they're not already at the table. Don't invite them. We don't want them there. Tommy can stay home. If we could just sit down and you could walk me through what you're doing right now with your current provider, where they're at in terms of understanding your current situation, the lift they're giving you in terms of where you want to go, what those goals are, where you want to go. The gold statement here, guys, I'll be the first one to raise my hand, let you know if we can't add any value. Right? Last thing I'm in the business of doing is bringing on new clients, bringing on new customers if we're not able to give them some monster improvements. Does it make sense for us to kind of walk through what you're doing now, and I'll let you know if you're on the right path? Fair enough? Right? Boom. Are you tired of barely making quota every month, or worse? Are you not making your quota? Are you not hitting your numbers? Are you worried that you're going to lose your job in sales? All that can change for you within the next 60 days. Hi, my name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and we can help you double, yeah, you heard me correctly, double the amount of sales that you're making, double your quota, and double your income within the next 60 days with Easton University Sales Coaching. Click the link here, and we're going to show you how you'll have access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It has everything you need to know to double your income, double your commissions, double your quota within the next 60 days. You're also going to have the ability to join live coaching with me twice a week. I'm going to be there with you every step of the way. You got a question on prospecting? I've got you covered. You want to know how to close? We'll walk through it. You want to be able to skillfully handle objections and complaints? I will walk you through in the live settings. Check out Easton University. Click the link now. You're going to see 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you that have doubled their income in the last 60 days. Click the link here. I want to talk to you about how we can help you sell twice as much within the next 60 days.